day 5 of the Freebirds vlog in Costa Rica. Unfortunately today me and Joan are leaving, so the vlog will be ending. But we're here enjoying our day in a gloomy yet beautiful beach, and I hope you will enjoy the last day with us. One thing we noticed on the way here, there was a huge traffic line on the highway, right?
We were stuck in traffic for like 2.5 hours. There was a car crash. We passed by it, and it gave us a strong feeling inside. When you see such things and you know that whoever was involved in that is no longer with us, it reminds you that life is not all about just work problems or what you have in your head. Take the time to actually take a breath, go outside and live a little bit, think of what you want to do and go and do it. Of course you have to work, but keep it into a balance.
Yeah. You should really appreciate life and try to do the things that make you happy instead of pursuing things that society brings upon you that you must do in order to survive. It's not always like that, right? So whatever opportunities you have in the position you're in, there's always a way you can make it better, always a way you can make new friends or have a great time. I mean, there's a reason why a lot of people in poor countries can laugh more than we can, right? It's all in here. It's all in here whether you're happy or you're sad, right? So anyways, please enjoy this last day with us, and we'll see you again in the future for sure.
From this distant vantage point, the Earth might not seem of any particular interest. But for us, it's different. Thousands of confident religions, ideologies, and economic doctrines. Every hunter and forager, every hero and coward, every creator and destroyer of civilization. Every king and peasant, every young couple in love, every mother and father, every saint and sinner in the history of our species.
Really beautiful, man. We're waiting for the rain to go out. This is nuts. All that shit is getting wet. Let's see what happens. Yo, fuck the rain. Great. Only because of the gear I'm worried. Otherwise it's fucking lovely. Alright guys, we survived the rain. Finally we're here eating our last meal in Costa Rica, at least me and her. Take a look.
You're not showing any meals yet.
Oh fuck.
But cheers.
Let's just cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers guys, massive sangria.
I'm the only one that's clean.
That's right, he's right.
I'm driving. Typical Costa Rican. Very typical Costa Rican. Typical. The meat is typical, the french fries not so much. I got a better drink. It's pink.
Yeah!
I hope you enjoyed Costa Rica. And peace out.
Let's go.
Go through.
Good night.
Did you see his face?
We're asking Cyril to do a sign off, but he really can't come up with anything.
No, I actually meant it. I hope you guys enjoyed Costa Rica for the 5 days you stayed here.
Okay.
I wish I showed you more, because there's more to see.
Pay us a flight ticket back in 5 days. Yeah, you don't wish it that much, huh, bitch?
Never mind, get the fuck out of here.
hope you liked watching these vlogs in the 5 days we were here in Costa Rica. Please, if you ever come here, visit the places we did. We recommend them fully, right?
You're not getting paid to say that.
We're not sponsored. Yeah, and like he says, enjoy life and suck a mud.